So now we're turning to the series of questions nobody asked that I'm going to answer. I was discussing this with a friend the other day, and that is that the cleaning rod on the Swedish M96 Mauser long rifle doesn't seem to work. So you see, it has what looks like a slot for a cleaning patch, so this must be like a cleaning jag, but it does not fit down the bore. It doesn't work from the muzzle, nor does it work from the breech. The diameter of this is greater than the bore diameter of the rifle. So how the hell was that supposed to work? Well, the answer is quite simple. I have here the components of a Swedish cleaning kit for this rifle. And it comes with a couple pieces, some patches, an oil bottle, but these things we don't really care about much about. These are the important things. And the answer to that question of why the cleaning rod doesn't seem to fit down the bore with this what is obviously a patch jag, because this isn't a patch jag. It's not what it's meant to be. This is a jag for cleaning patches. It's actually got two different slots, so you could do two at the same time. And it goes in the bore just fine. As does this. This is just a simple brass one with just one patch, and it goes in the bore perfectly fine. This is a cleaning rod guide. You put this on the muzzle, it snaps over the front sight. This actually doesn't work if the front sight protector is on. You have to take it off. But this is just a slot for you to stick one of the jags through to use as a T-handle. And then it's threaded with male threads on the end here. This is to both capture it in the rifle. There's a little insert down here somewhere that this screws into to retain it, but it also allows you to thread on the jag or this bristle brush. So then what you would do is take off front sight hood, if I can get my finger in there. I might need some tools to do. This thing will even come loose. There we go. And then this simply also won't work with the thread protector on there. So then you can, that's as good as locked on there. So now you've got a patch jag. You then take the other jag, put it through there as your T-handle, and then now you've got a guide so that you don't wear out the muzzle, and it goes in one end and out the other. And that's a secret. This is not a cleaning jag. This is a cleaning jag. And that's how that works. So, thank you for watching. This is a cute, quick little video to explain a little mystery that I just got the answer to not that long ago. So, goodbye.